Hello everyone. As you know that in a transparent medium like air or water, light travels in a straight line. When the light meets a reflective surface like a mirror, it bounces back in a particular direction or one direction. This is called reflection. When the light meets a non-reflective surface like a screen or a wall, it bounces back in all directions. This is called diffusion. A plane mirror or a flat mirror shows an image of the same size as the original object at the same distance as the mirror is from the object. The convex mirror shows a smaller image while the concave mirror gives close up a larger image. True or false? In pure water, light travels in a straight line. True. The image given by a flat mirror is larger than the object. False, and we can correct it in two ways. We can keep flat mirror and we have to say same as the object, or we can say the image given by a convex mirror is larger than the object. Light travels. Light falling on a movie theater screen bounces back in all directions, and this is true. As you can see matching here, so the first one, a reflection of light in a particular direction, the second one in all directions, and the third one, light travels in a straight line. Number 4, the sentence, in a transparent medium, light travels in a straight line. Number 5, we have diffusion and reflection. Today we will talk about refraction. Let's see what's the meaning of refraction by doing this experiment together. Okay. So, light travels in a straight line in a transparent medium. But what happens when light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium? Together, let's make a small experiment. Okay, here we have two empty glasses, 2 pencils and water. Place the 2 pencils in the cup. Now we want to add, okay, the pencil looks straight in both cups. After that we have to add water to one of the 2 glasses. Now what can you see? What is happening to the pencil? The pencil in the water looks like broken. So, what can we conclude? That when light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it will bend, or it will change its direction. So this photo shows the effect created when light is refracted. So I will repeat. When light travels from one transparent medium, which is the air, to another transparent medium, which is the water, the light is going to bend or change its direction. For this reason, we are going to see the pencil as if it is broken. Okay, what is refraction? Light waves travel at a different speed. When they go through other transparent mediums such as water or glass, this causes the ray of light to change direction and bend. This is known as refraction. Refraction creates illusion. Because light bends when it travels between air and water or glass, objects seen through these materials look bent or distorted. Refraction investigation. We are going to choose one of the 2 investigations to do in the home and to record a small video telling us your prediction. Have a look at each investigation and predict what you think will happen. Try to explain your prediction using your scientific knowledge and understanding. Follow the instructions to set up each investigation. I told you have to choose one of the 2 investigations. Record what happened and say whether your prediction was accurate or not. The first investigation, you will draw a horizontal arrow on a small piece of paper, then hold the piece of paper behind a glass filled with water. Don't put the paper inside the glass, you have to hold the piece of paper behind the glass filled with water, and you have to write for me what you predict will happen. Try it out and describe your observation. Try to record a small video telling us your investigation, your prediction, and your observation. Okay, you can fill also this paper for the first investigation if you choose the amazing arrow. The second investigation is the incredible images. You will draw a small picture on a piece of paper, a silly face or a star or anything you want are some examples of images you may draw. Then place an empty glass over the top of the picture. So first you have to draw a small picture and bring an empty glass cup. It should be transparent and put it above the picture. You have to look at your images through the side of the glass. Go to the side of the glass, don't look from the top. Take the side of the glass. As you watch your picture, slowly fill the glass with the water. So you have to start now filling the glass with the water. When the glass is full, you should cover the top of the glass with a saucer, with a small plate. And you have to write or tell me your prediction and then your observation. Don't forget also, if you choose this investigation, you have to record also for me a small video and send it back to me. Here you can fill also this paper by comment drawing and write about your observation. Finally, this is the experiment of the refraction of light that we started with it when we put the pencil inside the cup. I want from you to tell me what are the materials that we use, how we explore, the observation. The meaning of explore, it means what did you do with these materials? Observe, what can I see inside the cup? What happened to the pencil inside the cup? And at the end, I deduce or I conclude. You have to tell me here, what's the meaning of refraction? It means you have to tell me when light travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, the light is going to change its direction. Okay? After you finish writing this experiment, please take a picture and send it back to me. Don't forget to record a small video about one of the two investigations. Thank you. Ramadan Kareem.